Hey, welcome to my messy workspace. Let's have a look at the latest thing in ishowu-switcher, which is application audio. It works the same way as in other ishowu products. There is a driver, which you'll be prompted to install if you don't have it already. And you can just enable it and disable it. And that's all there is to it. So if it's disabled, then your Mac just sits there with the same output device, whatever you have selected. And when you enable it, let me switch back to show you. Then your output gets sent to SWB audio capture, and the app can then hear everything that your Mac is doing. You can choose to hear the output of your system on a different device if you wish. Just choose that here. That's it, nice and simple. So that's application audio capture in ishowu-switcher.